You guys clicked on the video, you know what time it is. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devrell Davis, and we're doing an unboxing video. And today I am super excited because this is something that I actually wanted to unbox for a while being the last 2 weeks, because I've seen it pretty much advertised online, and it's the Skullcandy. I know. I had tried Skullcandy before with the hash, and I was very disappointed with the durability of it. However, I'm giving it a chance again. This one is a little bit more premium product. It's a Skullcandy Evo Crushers, but this is the Budweiser edition, so it's a nice metallic red. It's a nice creamy red. So we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing this. This just was delivered to me today. Just came back from the gym, seen it at the door, had to pick it up, had to open it, had to make this video before I unbox it truly and put it in my ear. So here we go. So let's go ahead and look at this. This is the Crusher Evos. Look at the box. Skullcandy, Budweiser, Crusher Evos, and the SC for Skullcandy right here in the middle. This is like a collector's edition box, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and start ripping this damn thing. This is actually awesome right here. This is really worth the price alone, the box. So the retail price was $209. I got it on Skullcandy's. I looked for it on what they call it, on Amazon. They didn't have they didn't have the Budweiser brand or the Budweiser edition. Let's get this out of here. Boom. Look at this. This is the back. Skullcandy logo right here on the side. Budweiser symbol right there on the side. And it's impressive that these two got together to make a certain limited edition headphones, Skullcandy and Budweiser. You never thought the two would even make sense, but I guess it makes sense now. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Feel the bass. From what I heard from all the reviews I've seen, this is a heavily bassed headphones. Like, the bass is insane. This reminds me of the Sonys that I had back in the days, as far as the look, the red look, when I seen online. And as far as that, this was the heavy bass Sonys that I had. So hopefully this bass is equally the same as far as Skullcandy is concerned. So hold on 1 second. So the box opens up this way, and you flip it over, and we'll flip it over again, and then boom. So this is what we get right here. We get some instructions right here on how to start the device. There's an app with it also, a Skullcandy app now. It's just like the JBL app that I had on my to help with the equalizer and all this other stuff. So we're gonna go ahead. The instructions is fine, it's cool, it's cute, but we want to see the product. So once I got it opened this way, we presented with a leather case which holds the device. This is some more instructions right here in Spanish, but I don't speak Spanish. My girlfriend does, but I don't speak it. So nice. We're gonna pull this out right here. I'm excited to see this. Before we even get to this, I'm gonna put it right here on the side. This looks like almost like a boxing gloves, the way it looks. We're gonna go ahead and look at this. Oh, okay, this is nice. This is a nice Budweiser logo right here on the top. Has a nice little boom clip right here to open. But we're gonna put this to the side to see what else is in the box. Of course, the user's guide. What's in here? More than likely it's probably the ports and the cords for it, if you want to use the cord and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out real quick. I noticed it's a C-port based device, which is good, which is fast charging. I heard it has a long like 20 minutes of charging, gets you close to 4 hours of playtime, so that's really good. I heard it's like 30 hours to 40 hours of playtime with this, so on a full charge, so that's even better. This has long lasting. So let's get to what we came here for, to see the device. I'm already excited about this, to see it in person. I was already intrigued about it online, and very much intrigued about it a lot. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Might have to pause it again. So let's look at this. It says Budweiser right here in the top. So it's not promoting drinking, it's just promoting it's just two big brands coming together. Bam, that's everything in here. So this is the device right here. As you can see, it's metallic. You can actually see my reflection in it. You can actually see right here. This is has nice little weight to it. It's very premium. It says Budweiser here in black on black. Might have to spin the light a little bit to see it. Sorry, Mom, my hands is dirty. Just came from the gym, so had a little bit of chalk on my hands. All right, this is a bright red as far as the cuffs. Very cushy. Nice. Very cushy, very thick, very in depth. But this metallic red right here is sick right here. You can see the reflection. You can see my iPhone in this. Look, we got the Skullcandy right here. Bam, leather on the top. Nice. It has a little weight to it, so it's good as far as premium is concerned. So let's see what we got right here. We got a rocker button. We got the C port down here. A few devices. I'm gonna check it out to see how to use it. I know I checked out online. I don't know if this is gonna be a fingerprint magnet, but it looks awesome. It's gonna look awesome on my ears. Let's see what we got here on this side. More buttons over here, on and off button, power repairing button. Right here is a different red. Right here is more like a I don't know what to call that. It's just red. It's just a Budweiser red. So we got like 3 different reds right here, but this metallic red right here is what caught my eyes, and I'm like, listen, I need to purchase this. Then right here is really soft at the top, so I'm intrigued to see how it looks on my and feels. As far as the device on my head, is very premium. The price was $209, and for that price, it's like a limited edition, not device. And for that price, the base could be awesome, and the look is great. So, in comparison to other premium devices, I'm not really a huge fan as far as Skullcandy products are concerned. But this one right here, I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna spend some money, I was gonna spend some money on a different brand, but this one, Skullcandy, I heard a lot of good things about the Crusher Evos, and I'm like, listen, I'll give you another chance, and if you fail me, we're totally done. The marriage is over. But I think you guys nailed it this time and hit the ball out the park. Another Budweiser sign right here on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and listen to it, and you guys, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Deborah Davis. Please like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Peace.